Welcome to today's video on the beginner's guide to investing. If you're new to the world of investing, you may feel overwhelmed by all of the different options and strategies out there. But don't worry, in this video, we'll be covering the basics of investing and providing you with a solid foundation for building your investment portfolio. So, what is investing? Simply put, investing is the act of putting your money into something with the expectation of earning a return. There are many different types of investments, including stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate. Each type of investment carries its own set of risks and potential rewards, and it's important to understand these before you start investing. One of the key concepts in investing is diversification. This means spreading your money out across a variety of different investments, rather than putting all of your eggs in one basket. By diversifying your portfolio, you can reduce the overall risk to your investment and increase your chances of earning a positive return. So how do you get started with investing? Here are a few steps to follow. Determine your investment goals. What do you want to accomplish with your investment? Do you want to save for retirement, build wealth, or generate income? Your investment goals will help guide your investment choices. Assess your risk tolerance. How comfortable are you with taking risks with your money? Some investments, such as stocks, are more volatile and carry a higher level of risk. If you're not comfortable with this level of risk, you may want to consider more conservative investments, such as bonds. Create a diversified portfolio. As we mentioned earlier, it's important to diversify your portfolio. This means investing in a variety of different types of assets, such as stocks, bonds, and cash. You can do this by investing in mutual funds or exchange-traded funds, ETFs, which allow you to own a diverse range of investments in one single fund. Monitor your investments. It's important to regularly review your investment portfolio to ensure that it's still aligned with your goals and risk tolerance. As your financial situation or investment goals change, you may need to make adjustments to your portfolio. By following these steps, you can get started on your investing journey with confidence. With a little bit of knowledge and some careful planning, you can build a solid foundation for your investment portfolio and work towards achieving your financial goals. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more great content.